Bow. It's fire. Bow. Hold on. Yeah. Big drip. Big drip. I fell in love with a lit bitch. Ayy. Crip shit. Ayy. She wanna suck on a lit dick. Ayy, ayy, ayy. Couple bitches I get lit with. Couple bitches I get lit with.
Hey guys, it's Mando here, back with another video. So I just filmed this hair tutorial, so if you guys haven't already, go check that out. It will definitely be up before this video. So go ahead and check in the description because it's already there, because I always post my latest videos in my description box. So do that for me, and if you guys haven't already, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Tumblr, follow me on Snapchat, and follow me on my lash page, Mando Makes. It's under construction right now, but I will let you guys know when it's back up and running. Okay, period. So today I have a very exciting video. I'm super excited to film this video today because I've been waiting for like dumb long to get this package. I ordered some stuff from So I ordered some stuff from different websites on Black Friday. I think I ordered from Fashion Nova. I ordered this thing for my car, and I ordered what I'm about to show y'all. And I think I ordered some other stuff too from this other website, but I totally forgot what it was called. If I find it, I'll put it right here, whatever. But when those things get in, I'm gonna be doing a haul for you guys, a Black Friday haul, and I'm so excited. But this package came in before all the rest of them did, and I was dumb excited because bitch. Okay, period. So it took everything in me to buy this shit, but when I tell y'all I'm finna be looking dumb fly, like I'm finna be bitch, y'all finna be like, who the fuck is that? Bitch, it's Mando, you feel me? So period. So let me just shut the fuck up and get on to it. This is my package. So basically, bitch, I ordered me a wig, period, because I've been wanting to try a wig for a very long time. I've been, you know, I've had like bundles in and stuff like that. I've never tried a frontal because I don't know, I just felt like it would look weird on me. I don't know why. But you know, I normally get my braids, I get my bundles and stuff like that. Like I'll put on my little extensions. I lost those by the way, so whoever has them, bitch, give it back before I beat your ass. I was super scared to order from any website, to be honest with you, because I was looking on everything, looking up reviews on YouTube. I was doing all of that because I wanted to make sure that I bought like a nice wig, and I wanted to make sure that it was, you know what I'm saying, like good with texture, you know, styling it. I wanted to make sure everything was cool, like, you know what I'm saying, weeks after people got the hair, I want to see how it looks, like shit like that, if it sheds, like, you know, just certain things you gotta look for when you're looking for hair. So henty, I did my research and y'all already know what the fuck is going on. Order from Arrogant Tay's website, the one that he has in his bio now, which is like Ben Yike. I'll put it right here because I don't know how to pronounce it, but I was gonna order from them, but bitch, his shit was too motherfucking much. It was asking for me to throw the pussy and all, so I was like, no, I'm not doing that. So I went on Ari's page and I looked on her page, and I also saw, you know what I'm saying, her collection and shit like that. But I was looking for a certain length, okay? And y'all know, if y'all know me in real life, bitch, I'm extra.com. Period. But basically it's like an unpackaging haul, like a unboxing haul, or whatever you want to say. So let me take a little okay, I'm done. Okay, period. This is the box. This is what it looks like. This is what I unboxed it. I already opened it with the scissors. So it comes with, like, you know what I'm saying, the little cute pink, whatever the fuck, little bubble thing, that thing. Comes with that. Comes with these cute little confetti things. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove all of this right now. And the reveal. So I ordered from Kendra's Boutique because most trusted hair place, or whatever the fuck you want to call it. I feel like I see a lot of people wear Kendra's, and I feel like even not even just wigs, I feel like a lot of people wear her bundles, frontals, things like that. I did see some bad reviews on her frontal saying that after a couple of months that it starts to like kind of bald a little bit. Wasn't really feeling that, but I was like, you know what, all of the rest of the reviews we're good. So I was like, let me just give her a shot and see how she works. This wig is for my birthday. I'm not gonna be putting it on anytime soon. I mean, my birthday is like right around the corner, but like still, I'm really not gonna be doing nothing with it until then. So my birthday is February 18th, so I will be doing, you know, vlog and everything. Y'all know my vlogs, period, Mando vlogs. I'm gonna be doing vlogs and everything like that. I'm gonna ask the girl that I'm gonna go to install the wig if I can record it for you guys, and if you guys can see it, how she installs it, how, you know, whatever. And I also kind of, you know, dibble dabble in how to, if she just puts it on for me and then it lifts a little bit, I know how to put it back down, you know what I'm saying? So that's perfect, but I don't know how to fully install a wig by myself. I don't even know how to braid hair. So yeah, that's why I'm going to somebody and I need help. But yeah, so I just wanted to order from her and see what, you know, she was working with. And I was staying in contact with the girl that was gonna do my hair, and she told me to get another color, but I ended up getting this color instead because it was just basic and just kind of like, I didn't want to, like, you know, do too much. She also gave me some other things along with the hair as well, so I'll show you guys that at the end. But here's how the box looks when you open it. It just says I'm a hair barb and period. I'm a lash barb too, period. The hair comes in this right here, this plastic, super cute. She has her cute ass logo on it on the bag as well, has her Instagram and all that stuff. She has like this thing where it comes with like a little, what is this actually, because I didn't even read it. Oh, it's just her deals and stuff that she got going on, I guess. I'm not too sure till when. So yeah, that's what she got going on for her deals. And then this, I think, is like a pamphlet of how to maintain the hair, which is great because, like I said, this is my first wig I've ever purchased ever. So it's good that she includes this in there as well, so you don't have to go back on her website and just see how to maintain the hair. So I like that a lot. So this is just my packing slip that she gave me, so I'm just gonna read off what I got. I got a full lace body wave wig, 30 inches, and I got it in the color black, as you guys saw in the packaging. I'm gonna just tell you guys the total because if you guys are trying to purchase from her, I got this on Black Friday. Normally the 30 inch would be around $680 or $640 if I'm not mistaken, but I got it for $580. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and open this wig and get on into it. But me rubbing my hands through it, it's really soft. Hair's coming out already, not feeling that. All right, but yeah, so this is the wig. We have the body wave here, 30 inches, as you guys can see. So the wig comes with multiple clips. They got one right here, so two on the side that you could clip, and then one in the back. And it's real nice too, real thick. So if you guys can see, she already did the pre-made baby hairs, but the lace looks nice. It doesn't look bad at all. Yeah, I wasn't able to get her HD lace because it sold out, so this is just her regular lace that she had on the website. Super duper excited to get into this wig because it's super thick. If you guys can see, like, it's really thick, and I'm really feeling that. Like, I need to get one of those heads that could, like, she could sit on it. I think I'm gonna call her Chanel. Hopefully my big ass head could fit in this motherfucker. I don't even know if my big ass head could fit. Yeah. So that's the hair. Yep. That shit swing, bitch, stiff wear. But yeah, I really can't show y'all much because I feel like I don't have it on my head, but yep, get into it, get into it. Yeah. But I'm super excited. I'm not even trying to. Oh yeah, this motherfucker gonna fit all right. Bitch, imagine, hold on. Bitch, okay. Period. So once I go ahead and install this wig, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I maintain it, how I keep it up, things like that. I'm definitely gonna be watching YouTube videos as well, how to keep up a wig and things like that. So, cause I don't wanna fuck it up, because this shit was hella expensive. Do, you know, just get ready with me's and all that stuff so you guys can see how I maintain the hair and things like that. So this is not really a review until I wear the hair and style it and wear it for a couple weeks. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys that because I'm super excited about it and I can't wait to install it because you guys are coming with me when I install it. So period, you guys will see that. But I just wanted to show you guys the hair in the meantime and just show you what I was rocking with or whatever because it came in and I was waiting for it to do this video. But like I said, I will be doing a Black Friday haul once all the rest of my stuff come in. So I went ahead and unpackaged everything else for you guys. Everything else, bitch, 2 things that she sent me. So she went ahead and also put in the packaging, she went ahead and put in this hair modeling balm. So this is like the little, so I'll be watching videos like hella on wigs, and this is like the little thing where before they style the hair, they just go ahead and like, you know what I'm saying, like lay it down, kind of like lay away, like tame the flyaways and stuff like that. So it's just like a nice balm. It smells really good, so I'm excited to use this as well. Yep. And then I also got a shower cap. I thought this was a bonnet, but it's a shower cap, which is fine, but I really don't wear shower caps, so I don't know. But I'll probably just use it as a bonnet, to be honest. I don't know. Probably a shower cap, bitch, because I can't use it as no fucking bonnet. But I wish it was a bonnet. But it's cool, but it's super cute. Got her logo on it. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this cute little unboxing haul that I featured for Kendra's Boutique. A review will be coming soon on this hair, like I said, once it gets installed. And you guys will be seeing other videos coming up. DM me if you guys ever need advice. They're also in the description box. I also put my email down there for my YouTube page that you guys can send advice or advice questions on and things like that. If you guys have any like problem situations that you guys want me to give advice or give feedback on, let me know, because your girl's always here for that. And all my ladies out there, love yourselves. Make sure, you know what I'm saying, you're doing what you want to do for you and not anybody else, because at the end of the day, all you got is you, and bitch, you're going into that grave alone. So make sure you live for you, do what you want to do for you, talk how you want to talk for you, you know what I'm saying, be who you are, and genuinely just, you know what I'm saying, appreciate yourself and how God made you. Period. And I'm also going to be talking on the problems that I have been dealing with as well, so you guys, you know, don't feel alone out there, because everybody goes through things and nobody's life is perfect, and everybody's going through things right now at the moment, whether or not they're in the US or not. There's different countries going berserk right now, you know what I'm saying, just hella shit going on in this world, and I really hope God just come down and touch and heal everybody's hearts and minds and souls, because shit is getting real crazy out here. All my ladies, protect yourselves, because y'all already know the sex trafficking thing is going fucking crazy. Everybody's going fucking nuts, like for real. These men out here, y'all need to stop preying on these young girls and ladies, you know what I'm saying. Just watch yourselves. Make sure y'all bring tasers, all of that stuff with you, pepper spray, the whole fucking 9. Lock your fucking car doors, all of it, y'all. Make sure y'all be safe out here. Like I said, God bless all of you guys, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Mando out.